Hi, Juan. Here you go. That's the gross power, 20.67 volts coming out of the unit. Here's the setup. You have a flame. You can see the flame there from the propane. You can see the water in the tube. Here's the top tube. This tube goes straight through. This reservoir is filled with water, but this is a secondary independent loop. It doesn't interfere with the water inside the reservoir. And as the water cools, it comes down this tube, goes in, goes up into the top of the tank, whereas the hottest water is here, and then the cold water sinks back down, goes to the bottom and pulls the heat out and goes back up. And there you have it. That's the design that I've talked to you about. And here you have how much voltage, significant amount greater than what you would get from just putting it on the side of the stove. You would get it almost 6 volts more on this design compared to the old design. And this is basically the system. Here it is. Now we would have to find a tank. We'd have to put a tap on this tank so you could empty the hot water out and they could utilize the hot water. But that's the unit.